Chain stitch. It's not my favorite stitch and I use it mostly for sweaters. So you come up and go down into the same hole. Leave a loop. Come up into the loop, stitch length away. Pull the needle. And repeat. Come down into the entry hole, leave a loop, and come up into the loop. Pull the needle. To finish stitch, go down into the entry hole. Reverse chain stitch. Make tiny vertical stitch. Come up, stitch length away. Slide under the tiny stitch. And go down into the entry hole. And repeat. Chain stitch was the first embroidery stitch I learned, and I hated it until I found out you can do it in reverse. Chain stitch is not only for straight lines. You can embroider curves, you can embroider letters, lots of possibilities. Out of all possibilities, I choose to embroider sweaters. And I use detached chain stitch for decorations or flowers. Process is the same. You just finish after the first chain. Few detached chain stitches from one point, and you get a flower. Or, as it's also called, a lazy daisy stitch. Hit like if you enjoyed the tutorial and join my Patreon page for early access. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!